Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2019 at a past photo managers conference, the first year I began interviewing my colleagues. Although the year has passed, the insights shared remain valuable to anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy.
Hi, here we are again at the Apple conference, and I'm with my colleague Dionne Merriott, who's from Lubbock, Texas. And what's the name of your company?
It's Capture Memories Photo Solutions.
Okay, and but Dionne, you've been working with businesses.
I have. Businesses have a lot of photos too, and they have their company history, their employees, people that have helped them to grow in their business. And so documenting that is a really important part of their history.
hmm And so, are you doing their business photos or just history photos, or are you doing documents as well, memorabilia?
There's been some documents in it. Some reports. It shows how the business has grown over the years, and there's a lot of people that are part of the company that have been part of it, and people that have been with the company since the beginning. This is a local company in my area that's a family-owned company, so there's a lot of family photos in it. They honor family members. And so it's a great opportunity for people to learn more about their company and see how they've been so successful.
Okay, great,
So,
thanks.